In a world where thirst shows no mercy, introducing Blue Drop, the water can that quenches your thirst and your drama. Who needs therapy when you have got Blue Drop? Pure, powerful, and cooler than your ex. Blue Drop, hydration delivered with style. This was kinda too easy. Was really surprised how well and how fast it worked. Instead of spending thousands of your hard-earned money on a marketing agency, I did my own scripted new water brand marketing clip on Topview AI. Of course, it is a fake ad for this video. So, I used Gemini AI to create a customized water bottle with this brand name and uploaded this product image to Topview AI with the script, and the result you can see how natural it looks. If zoomed in, the hand and the fingers holding the bottle look so natural. For this ad, I used my own voice, but you don't need to do that too. Now to the steps on how you can create something similar on Topview AI. I'm going to now create a marketing clip of pineapple jam with the brand Pure Pineapple Joy. Here on Topview AI website, there are a ton of other tools, but I'm here for product avatar. Click on it, and at the top, you can see there are just 4 steps to get your final results with a video. In this screen, I need to select an avatar and upload my product image, and there are a ton of options to choose. Different colored, different ethnicity, and mockups of the products in hand. Hopefully in the food category, I can find something related to somebody holding a container close to how the jam bottle looks. Seems there are a lot of choices here. I'll select one of these. Now there is a mask we have to replace with our own product image. So clicking on replace with my product image. I'll select my product image and open. Now it automatically starts removing the background for you and tries to create a perfect mask for your product. Few moments later, you had placed over the bottle she is holding. Now just need to adjust the size, position and angle to match the bottle in the background. If you are not happy with the mask of the bottle, there is an option to correct it. All is well here. So going back, clicking on confirm product position, and now it starts to merge the product image I inserted to the avatar. Couple of minutes later, we get 3 images to choose from. You can see how she is holding the bottle and the shadows, lighting and everything looks so perfect. You have the option to regenerate if you are not happy with these. Here the middle one looks good as the text on the bottle the way she is holding looks good for the clip. We'll click on image to video avatar. Now it starts creating the animation of the avatar with the product she is holding. Takes a few minutes to generate this. You can preview it here.
I'm Topview product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
See how natural the bottle of the jam looks here and the way she is holding. We now need to change the script with our own. Clicking use my script takes to the screen. You can paste your own script here, or you can import an already recorded audio like the one which I used in my earlier clip. So here with the script ready, there is also option to change the voice, and there are a lot of options to choose. Filters to choose different languages, gender, age and style. You can clone your own voice too. I'll go with the default one for this example. Now to the subtitle style, this option certainly makes the marketing clip more attractive. Choosing this option here, clicking on generate. Keying file name here. 1080p option certainly is the standard for this, and export. And now you are on the projects tab where you can view all of your older projects at one place. It takes a couple of minutes to make the avatar video with our own scripts.
Start your day with a spoonful of sunshine. It's time for Pure Pineapple Joy, made from real golden pineapples, slow cooked.
And this is how easy to do marketing clips of your own products on Topview AI. You can download this now and share on your social media. If you're not too happy with the avatars available here, you can create your own too. On the product avatar page, click on design your avatar. Here for example, for a vitamin based drink, I have selected male, young adults for age, South Asian ethnicity. For posture, you have option to choose image and text based, choosing this image for reference. You can describe the clothing and hairstyle too, or it has some preset options to choose here. You can choose the background too. Going for athletic looking avatar here and a gym background. I got to choose from these options here. The mask is wrong on this one, but the below one seems right for this. Choosing this, and you should be now familiar with the next steps. Uploading the product image, it removes the background and places it on the predefined position of the mask. This brand of Vitamin Rush I did make on Gemini too. After confirming and selecting the desired image, it's now time to create the animation. Importing my own recorded audio here and generating the clip. The clip is ready with a perfectly synced voice with mouth movements. Feeling drained? Life moving faster than your energy? Time to power up with Vitamin Rush. Try this yourselves on Topview.ai. For the value it provides, I think these rates look like they're absolutely worth it. You can try it for free too to test it out before opting for the payment. Hope the video was useful to you all and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.